Hey guys, welcome to this channel, and in this video I will show you how to recover deleted playlists. So first, I want to say that this only works on the web, Spotify.com. This will not work on the app, whether you're on desktop or on mobile, so you have to do this on Spotify.com. Anyways, back to the tutorial. What you want to do, you want to go to settings, and then you'll see view account, and then here you'll see restore playlists, and as you can see, there are playlists that I've deleted. Here I can just restore it all. And when I go to my library, as you can see, here are the playlists that I have restored. Alright, that's basically it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe, and see you in the next video.